Hair regrowth kit. Our products just arrived. I'm just opening the box. And I always say something to people that if you're dealing with hair loss, you have to use products specifically for hair loss. This is hard to open because it's really sealed. But if you have good hair, that's okay. You can still use our products. You only need little. Yeah. So in a packet, this is hair regrowth kit by Havila Hair Restoration. So this is the shampoo. This is the conditioner. And this is the hair serum specifically for hair growth. If you want one of these, you can order it online. And this is how the packaging comes right here. This is the serum. There's the shampoo, conditioner, say 3-in-1. So you have a complete kit. Okay.